Watch out now.
Me know say
They go show this.
PNP
Matter, well, them lock up mother love, see?
PNP no no
Oh, me
lose the election.
Hold on. What go on for you seeing both money, Prime Minister?
But I know only Andrew Holness alone in the enrichment saga, you know. Yeah, and 9 more other with him, you know. But their name keep down. But they are gonna be exposed when
Paula Lewin and I.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Gov't TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
They are going to
share the corruption, you know. Share the corruption, share the minister of justice.
Understand. None of them should never they go up as no candidate now, you know.
That's what I'm saying. Any one of them where you see have these type of reputation. From PNP to Labour, right, they're not supposed to run none at all.
Yeah, but you're going on your child. Seeing mother love now. Seeing I blame the policeman who go down all the way to mother love level to arrest and charge mother love. Reason being, mother love is a TikTok creator who is not articulate. He's not articulate with his words in. You understand?
We know that.
Right.
Yeah, we know that.
So when you as a police officer and you know that this gentleman is not articulate with his words in. You get me? I say no. No, if a man like a me now, that come and say, watch out, without prejudice. If my party no win, me have to get up and rise up all the youth them and protest. So you see the difference.
Well, I know, me no boss, when mother love say wrong too. The man said if him party no win, the world he never state Jamaica. Go listen to the video. He said the world I go mash up like 80. He never said Jamaica go mash up like 80. Just go back and listen to the video.
What do you mean when him says so? What do you mean when him says so though? What do you mean when he said that?
Yeah, because he's not articulate and I think Judge Child make a point here now. A lawyer can look into that. Him said the word, he never said Jamaica. So
he never said Jamaica.
So therefore, you are saying that it. One second.
It would have come
one second. If we can't talk at a time, all of us can't talk at a time. One second. Thank you. So it would be fair to say. That a lawyer can represent him. Yeah, it would be fair to say that a lawyer could represent him and say that he neither admit and or deny saying that the world going to mash up like a 80. He never make a chat to Jamaica. No chat, absolutely. Yeah?
Never. He never make a chat to Jamaica.
But him talk about no gun in I think. Him talk about no gun.
Listen, they go play it back on here.
Yeah, play it me here, because I don't understand.
Respect my brother all the time. You know some really need that one, brother. I play it back on here.
Where's mine? Yo, Jalo. You see them now carry a nigger in a brother right pan the hip shook and nigger. Where's my dragon?
Boy, brother. Sorry, America, me there, you know. And you live in Jamaica right there. Listen here.
Threatening to murder political opponents arrested.
Listen.
Please remember to subscribe.
Listen what I say.
Leave us a comment and click the notification bell to support the PMP.
Yeah, man, say. Listen. Listen what I'm saying. Listen what I'm saying.
Don't know Mr. Fisher office this. I say we're gonna win, we are gonna turn the world in a 80. Be a big match,
all right.
Okay. Me not really thinking
turn the world in a 80. The man said he never said Jamaica.
you know,
that's
say,
just a figure
you
of
know, say, when I
speech,
cut
you know.
you know,
That
say,
is just
you know,
a
say, you
figure
correct me
of
I
on
was
something
saying it
there.
a
speech.
while ago.
You know,
What you
say,
say?
Figure of
That
speech.
is
I make 1 second of tea. I make a video, you know. I make a video pertaining to it, you know, but you know, say, I never realized that
Like
he
it.
never said Jamaica, him said the world. I never realized that.
Yes, him never said Jamaica. So that's why I tell you something. I listen to some people, you know, that. Me listen, you know.
but listen,
All of the things
anybody
them a
who
go
know
on, all
English
of the loud
language,
voice when they on, me
anybody who
listen.
anybody who know English language, it is a figure of speech.
Exactly, it's a figure of speech.
It's a figure of
So
speech.
him
It
not
is a
wrong. Him
him
say
can't
when
make the
one
world become
action.
like 80. That's ridiculous. But in just they emphasize and just the
Exactly.
expressing feelings to make you know say it right.
You think
That's
him
just a
in
figure
mean
of
now?
speech. That not for charge about. What
Them
they forgot
police don't
charge
have
about, they
nothing
not
to do.
charge about it.
So
Exactly.
that, yo,
Them don't have nothing to do.
somebody go and talk. Somebody go and talk.
Everybody entitled to their own opinion. That a female or him expressing feelings about his party. Him can make the whole world become like 80. Him not have that the power that in our hand. Anyone of we could have said it. Yeah.
Them police they dumb.
When they coming like me would have said, wife PNP on your swear me name me at. Me can't eat one at.
Exactly.
But it's just figure of speech.
That me I try to show it. So, well on it, you finish. Well on my people. Hear what I'm saying now, you know finish.
Then you, hey, stop your chatting. Don't give me no chat, Cindy. One just. Come in. One just. Mother love. Mother love. Yeah, yes, sir. All right. Yeah, lock your mouth. Remember me MP. This just, no for them a chat with them and two lights and sweets. Them can't get with no talk. One just. They are real PMP. Me murder people from a party. No talk. They want a mother love.
Grind me that
Hey,
up.
comrade.
Well
I'm
on,
gonna.
well on, 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 well on. How much video? How much video people doing in Jamaica say they want murder people for them family and murder people for this? Them get arrested.
No.
Okay. So if
Yeah,
a
him
man
get
come out and
DM.
say,
Him
well
get
on,
DM Naomi.
yeah, man. So if me I try for sure and say, yo, my people, you see if a me like this a man here, is a lawsuit underneath them bumbuckler. It's a lawsuit under the government. Cause there is no way you can go arrest me when me say, yo, the world. I never said Jamaica. I said the world. See it?
Greetings and have a pleasant good morning to everybody across the world who represent Jamaica and represent Jamaica for what it is. And I'm doing this video for the People's National Party of Jamaica. This is your boy Child, and I'm gladly a proud person to say what I'm about to say about the People's National Party and for all the things that they do for my ancestors and my people before us and before the people them before me and you, you know what I mean? I want to say big respect to the National Party. See, uno a milestone to Jamaica. The things that uno bring to Jamaica, the people them that uno save from poverty. I sit aside and watch this leading party taking disadvantage of Jamaican people. And it's a shame and a disgrace to know that I live in America and I can feel the people in pain in Jamaica under the Labour Party government. No disrespect. We are all human. Not because we say Labour right or we say PNP. I think the world should be treated as one nation. No care who in power. But when I see that's the growth in Jamaica, it's only for one set of people. And it's going in one direction. It hurts my heart to see our people suffering under the hands of the JLP party. So I'm sending my message to Jamaican people. be wise, come back to reality, come back to your senses, and know that we need a change. We've been waiting on prosperity. We've been waiting for all the false promises them. All we can see is Jamaica going backward on this government. We are been repeating ourselves over and over again with our people. When our people them gonna stop ask for road? When our people them gonna stop ask for light? When our people them gonna stop ask for water? The enough is the enough. Jamaica, may this be the last election for Jamaica, for this Labour Party to be in power ever again. It's a reason why I want to put the Labour Party, the PNP Party, for 18 years. 18 years. It's a reason why you give them to run the country for 18 years. That means these people are doing something great. So we want back this Jamaica. We know we're going to go through some tough mile and some tough decision when we win back this election, the People's Party. But please do not neglect the people them. Their promise and everything that you put out there, say yes, you're going to do for the people. So I'm asking Mark Golin and the rest of the MPs and councillor, please do not let down Jamaican people. And remember, Jamaica, put the X right beside the head. This is your child. More blessings.